Indeed, we are present. We have joined your meeting a few times. This is the Cetacean, the Whales and Dolphins Collective, together with the Sirian Galactic energy. We bring forward information regarding the crystals of time. They are buried within your oceans. A few as part of the water element, so they are not in physicality as you perceive. And some of them are actually within your crust, but protected by the waters and all the other beings that you are not aware of, including the ones that you are aware of, like us. We carry within ourselves parts of these crystals of time that can act as portals or connections to other constellations, other civilizations, and other timelines. And in this exciting, this is the word we would like to use, and during this exciting time for your planet, for humanity, and for all these species, within, without, and in interdimensions of Gaia, a big shift has already started. And many of these portals are opening up now for the first time. And with that, you have a stronger connection to many archetypal civilizations, including us, the Sirians, and in particular the mystics, the Sirian mystics, a proportion of our civilization that specialized on the healing arts, on the, you would refer to as the spiritual arts, although everything is a spirit. But a lot of information will be downloaded onto your planet via these portals, so that remembrance, gifts, skills, memories will be awakened, either to be released if they were traumatic ones, they need to be just purged. And humans are very good at doing that. So it helps, you all help us to clear some old trauma, as we have talked about before. But many would be coming forward, all these memories, these gifts for this next stage in your lives, because you'll be busy for many lifetimes on Earth and other places. So they will become more relevant as time goes on. Do you spend time in water? Water helps you to stabilize, to reach more of an equilibrium when your system is being bombarded and integrating new energy. It helps you to soothe your physicality, your emotions in particular. So remember to envelope yourselves with water if you can, be it in the shower, in a bath, or go for a swim in the sea if you can. And just set your intention to connect with our energy and the energy of water in itself, the element. This will help you to maintain balance so that you can shine and express all these gifts and knowingness and remembrance of your magnificence, your divinity, and all the amazing things that are about to start. We are always with you. We stand back.